Hi everybody, I'm here with Fred Amico, principal of Langley High School. First of all, I got to come over and see you doing a wonderful tabletop. You know, safety and security is very important. It's been important this past week with the inclement weather we had. We tried to make the right calls, make them early and provide a rationale. But beyond weather, we have security concerns each and every day at schools. Tell me a little bit about the tabletop you all were doing today.
Well, we talked about several of the terms that are a part of the National Capital Region, which don't always match up with the media. But our safety and security team does a wonderful job of teaching us how to apply those terms and how to keep our students safe and secure at all times in any kind of situation, natural disaster, weather, or God forbid, something from outside the building.
Well, we have an awesome safety and security group, and they just do terrific jobs. And you were joined today by Fairfax County's finest, police and fire, all working together with the school system. That kind of collaboration is just essential. You know, I also yesterday just shared out my budget that really puts people first, compensation for our people, and you and I were just going in classrooms talking about it. Tell me a little bit about your own philosophy of putting people first.
Well, actually, I believe in the credo, people, not programs. I think if we have good people, we can do anything we want. It's not the programs. We need to put our resources in our good people and make sure they're the best we can be and keep them happy and well compensated, and they will do wonderful things for us.
Well, you know, going through classrooms today with you, Fred, it's amazing. You have put that philosophy into practice. Thank you for over 30 years. You've put kids first, you've put people first, and I thank you for all your service here in Fairfax.